Assalamu alaikum. Today I will discuss about the form of business ownership. How many form of business ownership are there? There are three form of business ownership. Number one is sole proprietorship. What is meant by sole proprietorship? It is a form of business ownership in which single individual own, manage and control over the business. All the profit or risk belongs to him. It has some important features or important point I would like to discuss here. Sole proprietorship is the easiest form of business to handle. In other words, it is easy to form. There is no legal restriction to establish in this business. With the minimum legal requirements, you can start your business. You can register your business, but it's not necessary. In this business, the owner can effectively manage and control his business and keep secret, maintain secrets about business. He can take quick decisions. There is no need to discuss other person about any problem or decision. You can take yourself any decision. So this business is most flexible business. Why? Because you can take your own decisions. Another important merit of sole proprietorship is direct motivation. You are directly motivated by your business, from your business. You know, if you don't work hard, you will not succeed. So you work hard, you must work hard and keep better relation with customers. This business is the most important part of your life, your mental growth, your growth orientation is depend on this business. Your personal quality depend on this business. And whenever you want, you can dissolve this business. You don't have to ask anybody to dissolve or to terminate this business. You can take your own decision. But it has some disadvantages. Number one disadvantage is unlimited liability. You can take loan from banks, friends, family, and after that you have to pay whole your loan, complete loan by your own. So you can handle easily, but in the end it will be created more difficult issues. So in this business there are limited managerial ability. You have skills, but some skills. You don't have all the skills in your own mind or in yourself. You have a limited capital. You have limited managerial ability. You have limited expansion. You have uncertain duration. You don't know whenever your business will be terminated. Or in this business, there is a very important disadvantage: difficult in procuring loans, or these business are unsuitable for developing countries. So the another kind of the ownership is partnership business. So what is partnership business? Partnership business is the relationship between two persons who have agreed to share profit of business carried on by all or only any of them acting for all. यानी 2 या 2 से लेके 10 तक बैंकिंग बिजनेस में पार्टनर्स हो सकते हैं, या 2 से लेके 20 तक पार्टनर हो सकते हैं और बिजनेस को कैरी कर सकते हैं. प्रॉफिट एंड शेयर अकॉर्डिंग टू एग्रीड रेशियो के हिसाब से डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. पार्टनरशिप बिजनेस इज अनदर फॉर्म ऑफ बिजनेस which is required coordination. It is also easily developed, easy to form, but union of skills and ability required. Enough capital required by the partners. Coordination is required in the business. Specialization obviously increase, or incentive to work hard is also improved. Everyone want to work hard, but you cannot take decision without coordination. If you don't have coordination, you cannot take a good decision. There is a lack of secrecy maintained, because any partner can destroy your business on any issue. There is limited resources, only 20 persons are involved, but not more than 20% involved in this business. Delay in decision is most important disadvantage of partnership business, or not. It is not suitable for big ventures. The third form of business ownership is joint stock company. So I would like to discuss about joint stock company. What is joint stock company? It is a voluntary association of individuals for profits, having a capital divided into transferable shares, the owner of which is in the condition of membership, or they are shareholders. Joint stock company is the registered organization or ownership among these kinds of partnership business. It is registered with government and continuous in existence. Continuous in existence means मुसलसल चलती रहेगी, सालों साल चलती रहेगी, फौरन ख़त्म नहीं होगी. It is a large scale business in which number of people can invest. It is a limited liability. It has a limited liability, and the transfer of shares can be easily created. So it has great resources. You can sell your shares when you see your loss, or your any other speculation. You can sell, you can purchase at any time. It has better management, because the directors will have to answer to the investors, to shareholders. It is a legal entity, but it is too difficult in formation because it has a long process to register this organization. The shareholders as decide their directors to work in or to take decisions in the organization, but it has lack of personal interest. The company has lack of personal interest, lack of secrecy, because all the statements and explanation will print on paper. Statements will register with published in paper, newspaper. So directors cannot take decision quickly. There is a lot of corruption in joint stock companies. Most of the time, the director has conflicts to take decisions. There is a favoritism. So these are three forms of business ownership: sole proprietorship, partnership, and joint stock company. And you can take decision to start your business from by any of them according to your skills, ability, capital, information, and